Hello, I'm Dr. Dhanashri Pawar. I was a practicing physician for almost 9 years. My child was diagnosed at the age of 2 years. Autism is a set of conditions where children have difficulty with their social skills, have difficulty with verbal as well as non-verbal communication, and many of them have behaviors. In simple language, autism is just a different wiring of the brain. We started this journey. Our day was filled with going to different kinds of therapy, one place to another. The whole day was just running behind therapies, occupational therapy, speech therapy. In India, special children and autism, it is just about talking about mental retardation. And that's really hurting because these children are not mentally retarded. So when I went abroad, I saw a lot of therapists in USA. I studied all these programs and I realized there is not much awareness about autism in India. We are really lagging behind in the field of special education, in the kind of facilities that we provide these children. And we need to really work out a way on how do we explore the potential in a very autism-friendly way. All these ideas, gave birth to Divyam. Divyam was formed in 2017 with a clear vision that we want to remediate autism. We want these children to be respected, to be accepted by the society, not out of sympathy, but out of accepting and recognizing their true potential. We were trying to make a very safe space for these children to explore the world. The whole architecture, the whole interior of the center was built in a very autism-friendly way. We have indirect lightings. For children who are visually very sensitive. We keep it really silent for children who are auditorily very sensitive. Walls are in pastel shades so that it is not distracting them when they are trying to focus on their learning. We were identifying the obstacles which were not allowing them to learn. Awareness that these children need a different strategy, a different approach to learning is very important awareness which people have to accept. And if you can do that, if you can really give them that joyful path, that safe path to explore and learn, these children are a boon, these children are a blessing to the universe. They have absolute focus. Once they decide that they want to do this, they will do it. They do not know how to manipulate. They are very, very innocent souls. When you come to know about the meaning of your life and when you realize that it is working for your child, it is engaging in a cause that is going to support your child as well as so many other children, that makes it very beautiful. This is what Divyam is. It is engaging your soul with the cause, being who will never stop you. And I think when you put your mind to it, nothing can stop you. We started with 2 and now we are a family of 25. Our mission of making India an autism-friendly nation continues and we shall reach the goal soon, one child at a time.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life